I am actually the co-founder of ProLytics. I have been with the company since the beginning. At ProLytics, we've had the luxury to work on various and different verticals. We do hold deep expertise in a couple of them. Number one being construction management, number two being retail management, number three being SaaS and technology, and number four, professional services and legal. Every organization is different. We understand that. Every client has their unique needs, whether it be in the people, the technology, or even the nature of the business itself. One thing that we've been able to do in those specific industry areas is develop pre-built expedited packages that allows us to deploy much quicker. Now, these packages I mentioned entails a set of best practices and recommendations on how other peers in their organizations do the similar tasks. Now, often our clients will be able to benefit of leveraging these pre-built packages and really expedite that build. Obviously, the Vena platform itself is very powerful and flexible, and because we've spent that time understanding all the ins and outs of the technology, we're able to satisfy our clients' unique needs through the technology in a very short period of time. We hear from our clients that, hey, now I could finally go home to my kids on time. I do not have to spend late nights closing and really expedite their work. That is the most rewarding, and we're able to help others make their lives easier and their business run more efficiently. We want to grow in a way that we're able to still maintain that high level of customer satisfaction and service, but we see that there's a lot of opportunity and growth in the financial analytics space, and a lot of our clients that have started tapping into using EPM technology, we want to build on that and help them evolve and kind of take the finance department and decentralize some of those initiatives. So we want to be able to help our finance leaders build that connection across their business as well.